Volcano eruption! With glitter.
No.
Pretty cool.
It's like a dome volcano. It's like Merapi,
Tata?
which just had a little eruption yesterday.
Mama.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Papa.
Yeah.
Ein bisschen mehr Essig.
Okay, more vinegar.
Oh,
then
now we really got some action.
Go close. Leave that.
I think it's good like this.
So Merapi is a dome volcano, and Sophie asked if Tata is one as well.
A little
Tate is
more
a stratovolcano.
Okay.
Slightly different.
Little more sugar.
But they're both pretty tall, both about 3,000 meters and above. Tate is 3,700
Oh,
and Merapi is 3,000 or almost.
okay.
So, two really high volcanoes.
The city's dead.
Yes.
I hope the people got away. At least those that live there.
So, Stella, one more round. Would you like to add a little bit more baking soda?
And then a little more glitter.
Did you get some?
Are you ready for this?
I am born for it. I think a little bit more. Oh! Now that's a cool eruption. Instead of lava, we got glitter. Okay, I think you need a little bit more vinegar and baking soda for it.
I think the volcano is now coming to a little halt.
You said baking soda.
And a little bit more vinegar.
Vinegar.
Okay, girls, here you go. Last round.
And a little more glitter.
No, I think we had enough glitter, okay? Oh, I can hear the bubbles. Poof. Explosion. At least this volcano doesn't do any smoke.
It does have a lot of vinegar gas.
Yeah, and a terrible smell. Okay, this is the last round now. The helicopter's flying above, and the city is dead.
Still I can't stop.
Yeah, still I can't stop with glitter. It's a girly thing. Girly.
Nein, Kiki. Kiki hat das im Mund. Flach.
Oh, it stinks.
Yes.
A lot.
I do it. Oh. I do it.
Let's see if something more happens.
I will do it.
Put it underneath. Yeah.
Oh, there's happening something. Yeah, there. Something. Oh! It just poured out.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's a messy volcano.
It's okay.
Luckily, we got a big
And
bag.
A little more of this.
Well, I think that's enough then.
I think so too.
Hoopla.
So,
Well then. It's a birthday party. And it's flooding out everywhere.
it's enough now. Stella, I think we're gonna stop now.
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
Thank
Our
you.
dome volcano is in perfect arrangement. And I think it's a maximum dome beauty that it can be. So I think we shall leave it there. Shall we?
Yes.
No? No?
Now, thank you, people, for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining.
Stella,
Would
can you
to
also
say
wink?
goodbye? That's
Oh,
fantastic.
please.
Smile a little, baby. No?
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mom, Papa, I feel